What are the two whitening ingredients that I hardly recommend? And I really don't recommend at all. So, well, unang-una dyan is hydroquinone. Even when I was still starting as a dermatologist, I never really recommended hydroquinone. No? Kasi unang-una, ang hydroquinone is really irritating to the skin. No? Sa umpisa, maganda, and then later on, mamumula yung skin. Tapos kapag ikay naarawan, biglang mangingitim. So may rebound. And if you use hydroquinone for a long time, pwede ka mag-develop ng ochronosis na tinatawag, which is a grayish pigmentation on the skin that is very, very hard to remove, even worse than your melasma. And most of the whitening ingredient preparations have steroid. Well, ano bang nagagawa ng steroid? Of course, it can control the inflammation from possible hydroquinone use, but using it for a long time can thin out your skin, can develop blood vessels on your skin, and then pag naarawan kayo, mas lalo kayo mangingitim. So, again, another rebound ang mangyayari. So, never use hydroquinone, guys. Number 2, Kojic. I am not totally against Kojic because some Kojic preparations are good because it has a combination of mga anti-inflammatory. Well, kasi Kojic is more irritating than Arbutin and the other natural whiteners. Yung mga may sensitive skin dyan, mag-ingat kayo when you're using Kojic because it's a potential irritant. So it's not good for dry skin and those who have sensitive skin. So yun lang. Bye!